guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be reviewing the Magic Yo-Yo Skyva. So let's get into it. If you didn't know, Skyva is one of the best plastic yo-yos on the market. Has a really good finger spin cup, which is probably why I bought it. Yeah, it's the main reason why I bought it. And it finger spins just amazing. It's one of the better finger spinning yo-yos I own. I'd say the only other plastic yo-yo that would come close to being as good as this one would be the wedge. But the wedge isn't really good for like grinding and stuff. This one, since I'm really bad at grinding, I'll just show you. Just fits in your finger really nicely and just kind of just comforts your finger, you know? And it's really, really light. It plays really, really fast on the string, and it's really stable. It spins for a long time because it has good rim weight. And this yo-yo, the Skyva has gray response pads, and from the looks of it, a center track bearing. So it's a really good yo-yo, and it's really fast. But there's also, the Skyva is really fast, and I would not recommend using the plastic one for competition, but there are two other types of metal ones. Actually, no, there's one metal one, and then there's another Delrin one. I'd use the metal one for competing. It's really good. I tried it out at the National Yo-Yo Contest in Chicago. Thanks for watching this video. Hit like, and please click subscribe. Bye.